Hi guys, time check, it's 12:08. So, yeah, I am actually prepared to go home. So, today is January 3 and currently, I'm still here sa Marco Polo Residences, pero I'm all packed up. Naayos ko na yung mga gamit ko para anytime I can, proceed to the airport. Although my flight is still at 10:22, I think. 10:30, I think. So, mga ganon. So, evening flight yung aking kinuha. So, I still have the whole time to, if ever may mapuntahan pa or may makainan pa here in Cebu. And, capping off my holidays and New Year here, I am very, very happy and nabubulol. I'm so happy that I was able to spend my holidays and New Year here in Cebu. It's totally a different experience and I'm very, very happy and hindi ko alam, hindi ko ma-express yung aking happiness, but the whole experience, the whole time na nandito ako, I really enjoyed the food so much. The lechon, grabe, mamimiss ko yung Cebu lechon talaga. I mean, Ellie's lechon is one of the best lechon. Kasi, ang lechon na natikman ko, isa yung sa airport, yung Ayers or Ayers, and then, nung New Year, I was able to experience finally yung Ellie's lechon because it's my third time here in Cebu, pero ngayon ko palang natikman yung Ellie's lechon and Ellie's or Eli's lechon. So, ayun, kakaiba talaga. Parang, tama, totoo yung sinasabi nila na kapag ka natikman mo yun, parang magkikrave ka pa lalo. Ewan ko, ba't ganun yung feeling? Kasi yung ibang lechon na natitikman ko, pagka nakakain na ako nung parang enough portion, okay na ako parang uulitin ko ulit siya siguro after a month or 3 months, ganon. Kasi parang may something dito na nakakaumay, lalo yung balat. But dito, when I get to taste yung mga lechon dito, parang magkikrave ka lalo, may something. Teka, parang mapulang aking blush. Nakikita ko sa screen. Ayun, dami ko napapansin. At medyo maputi pa din ang aking pagkaka-makeup. Pero mamaya yan, hulas na rin yan. Kasi kaka-makeup ko pa lang. Dami katwiran. So yun, lechon. And then yung balbakwa, that's one. I'm planning to cook my version of balbakwa in Bicol. Kasi collagen yan. So, we need collagen in our body para to stay young and beautiful. And then, ano pa ba? Yung pochero. Gusto ko, actually ngayon, gusto ko yun But, I don't know if we still have time to go around. Sana, no? And, ang plano ko kasi after this video, I'm going to work. There's a lot of work waiting for me. Kasi when I get back to Naga, so flight ko ngayon, dadating ako sa Manila ng around 12:30 or 1, and then yung aking trip going to Bicol naman is 9. So I'll be arriving in Naga January 5. Parang para ako nag-Europe trip, ang layo, parang long haul travel, from Cebu 1.5 or 1.5 hours to Manila, tapos Manila to Naga 9 to 10 hours depende sa traffic. Oh my gosh. So yon, January 5 ako dadating ng morning, and then January 6 may trabaho na, may klase na. 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 9 we will be traveling to Legazpi naman, our branch in Legazpi. So this is the season of our branch visitation. So there are a lot of activities in store. And then after Legazpi, I think we will be going to Manila and then Lawag, Palawan. I don't know if I will still be able to come or be with the team during the visit to other branches. So let's see. I still don't have the schedule yet, the itinerary, but ang alam ko lang sa January 9, we will be traveling to Legazpi naman from Naga. So mga ano lang naman yan, 2 to 3 hours away lang naman ang Legazpi from Naga. So yun. So going back dito sa Cebu, ano ko, no, escapades ko, Cebu holidays. Yan. So talagang plinano ko to, minanifest ko to, minagnetize ko to, no? So parang sabi ko, I'm going to do something different this year, something that I really want to do before I die. May mga ganyan na akong factor because I have been not watching, I have been reading the Stoic book, and marami akong natutunan doon, in fairness, no, and I'm applying it on my regular daily life, no. So and it really feels so good, no, when you focus on the simple things, tapos nare-rewardan ka ng something big, something amazing, parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam, no? So yun, so I have been learning a lot of Stoic principles. Ang dami kong idinadagdag, ang dami kong ini-insert dun sa ano ko, but yeah, this trip, actually this holidays and New Year here in Cebu is something different from what I have been doing for the past how many years na ako nabubuhay sa mundo. 52 years, no? I always been with my family during New Year's Eve, New Year's Day, and all of a sudden, no? I decided to go outside of my comfort zone, go outside of my family circle, to be with, to be in a place very, very far from home. So, that's totally different. This is something very different na ginawa ko sa buhay ko. And I don't regret it. Actually, it's fulfilling. Sabi ko nga, I want to do a lot of different things before I die. So, I'll be doing my bucket list, no? For 2025, kung ano pa yung pwede nating i-achieve, pwede pa nating puntahan, pwede pa nating gawin sa buhay natin while we can, while we are still healthy, while we are still not so young anymore, but still able to travel and to explore. So yun lang yung aking ano, no? Yun lang yung aking goal. I don't want to stress myself too much of a lot of things. I want a simple life. I want a very what do you call that? Yeah, simple life. Yung walang masyadong stress, no? Yung may work tayo, but at the same time, we still have time to balance everything. Sabi ko naman, hindi ko naman inabandon yung family ko, no? Because of this, because of this trip, because of this plan of, spending the holidays outside or outside the circle of my family, because I spent my Christmas with my daughter, and then I spent I spent Christmas Day with my family, with the whole family, no? So, yun nga, sabi ko nga, I was able to balance everything, eh. So, nung first week of December, I was able to join our Christmas party, company Christmas party. So, lahat ng mga katrabaho ko sa school, nagkita-kita kami, nagsama-sama kami. First time also because it's 15 years of Apicius. And yun, tawag dito, first week yun. And then second week, bumalik lang ako sa Naga to finish a lot of stuff. But I was able to spend my pre-Christmas with my students kasi nagkaroon kami ng Christmas party, and then I attended some parties dun sa Naga, no? And then third week, yung Christmas Day or yung Christmas, 21, December 21, I traveled from Naga to Manila to spend my Christmas Eve, Christmas time with my family, with my mom, with my daughter. And then, ayun, nandun kami, nagsama-sama kami, no, with my siblings, with my mga pamangkins na makukulit. Bakit parang may napuna na naman. So, I was really very, very happy, no? So, with my coworkers, I spent the first week of December with my coworkers, third week with my family, and then eto with myself and with a good friend. Nabubulol. Okay, ayun. So I was able to balance everything. So ano lang, ito, ano ko lang to, opinion ko lang, no? Na parang, kaya namang balansehin eh, no? So, you spend with people na you love, uh, you spend time with people that you love, that you work with, that you, that you enjoy the company, yung mga ganun ba. So, yun yung goal ko, na I want to balance everything. Ayokong ma-drain because I work too much. Ayoko naman masyadong clingy with my family because, I cannot function without working because I have to earn also, no? And then, yun nga, meron akong, tawag dito, yung aking new business, yung ating food safety training. So, I'm very, very thankful. Yung nandun sa aking vision board na ginawa last year, halos lahat yun nangyari ng 2024. And I'm very, very excited for 2025 na gagawa ulit ako ng vision board. Actually, parang iniba ko lang yung year eh. But I'm planning to use it again. Pero sabi ko, nagawa na eh, na-fulfill na eh, na-manifest ko na eh, na-magnetize ko na, nangyari na eh, na-attract ko na eh. So, I think I will be thinking something else to put on my bucket list. Yun yung mga something na hindi ko talaga nagagawa pa in the past. So, I have mentioned to my friend nga, sabi ko, I want to do some extreme sports, yung bungee jumping, yung mga something different, something unusual, no? So, something na hindi ko ginagawa. Kasi yung mga beach naman, we can go to the beach anytime we want, but yung mga activities na parang new and very exciting, yun yung masarap gawin. So, yun lang ang aking goal, no? I pray and yun pala, una kong dapat gawin at sabihin is, magpasalamat. I'm very, very grateful to the universe for everything that the universe have, provided, no? Ang dami. Na-overwhelmed na nga ako. Sabi ko, grabe, sunod-sunod. When you manifest good stuff, when you manifest good things, talagang sunod-sunod siya. Parang ikaw na yung minsan parang magugulat, uy, ang dami naman sunod-sunod to, parang ganyan. So, yeah, I'm very, very happy, and yung 2024 sa akin is very fruitful, very exciting, ang dami nangyari. So, yan. So, and yeah, I am looking forward to a brighter 2025, and sana, yan, pa rin ako vlog and nakakapag-update ako sa YouTube channel ko. So, I'll be uploading this on my YouTube channel immediately, no? Para real time. So, meron akong content for my YouTube sa January 2025. So, again, thank you very much guys for keeping up. Kung sino man yung nanonood, sino man yung nagpa-follow sa akin, thank you talaga. Kahit na 3 piraso lang kayo at mga kaibigan at kamag-anak ko kayo na sumusubaybay, maraming salamat pa din, no? I don't really intend to monetize naman. If mag-monetize, then it's an additional, it's an extra, it's actually a freebies, but I'm not really expecting for anything. Masaya ako na nagvi-video na document ko yung mga nangyayari sa buhay ko, because yun nga, lalo dun sa FB, no, naulit ko na to before, nasabi ko na to before, na kaya ako masipag mag-photo, mag-video, mag-upload sa lahat ng social media ko, kasi after a year lumalabas siya dun sa Facebook memories eh. And then parang nagkakaroon ka ng reflection, ay, ito ako last year. Ito yung mga na-accomplish ko. Ito ako noon, lugmok ako. Eh, ganun. Tapos, look at me now. May mga ganun kang peg, diba? So, actually, I'm posting and uploading photos for myself, for my own satisfaction, and not for anything else, and not for everyone else. No? So, maraming nagsasabi nga na grabe naman mag-upload to si Chef. Nagpa-flood sa feed. But I don't mind, no? Hindi para sa inyo to. It's for my own satisfaction. And then, maybe in the future, no, pagka nagkaroon na ako ng mga apo-apo at wala na ako dito sa mundo, i-google ako ng mga apo ko, sino kaya yung lola ko na si Cooking Ina's Kitchen, si Chef Leia? Ano ba yung mga ginagawa niya? Ano ba yung mga advocacies niya? Ano ba yung naging purpose niya dito sa mundo nung siya'y nabubuhay? O, 'di ba? Yun yung ano ko, yun yung talaga yung kahit wala na ako, kahit na hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari dito sa mundo, at least may iniwan akong legacy, may iniwan akong memories, 'di ba? So all of my friends, all of my loved ones can still see me during my during my time. Ang drama, ang dami ko sinasabi. Kababasa ko ng Stoic yan. And I'm very, very proud to say na natapos ko yung Stoic na book, yung 365 Stoic Wisdom. And yeah, I'm still looking for some other books na pwede kong basahin for this year. And it really inspired me to, live my life one day at a time. Hindi yung masyado ako nagmamadali, hindi yung masyado akong gigil sa buhay. Not unlike during my younger years, no? Kala ko ba conclusion na to? Hindi yun. So yun, during my younger years, masyado akong gigil sa buhay na I want to achieve everything. But to be honest, not to brag, no? Madali ko naman nakukuha yung mga yung mga gusto kong makuha. Magsipag lang talaga, and you really have to speak positively, affirm, be grateful. Yun lang. Marami tayong masyadong binabasa mga libro, di ba? But basically, bottom line of everything is yun nga, affirmation, be grateful. Actually, dalawa lang eh. No? Yun lang yung masanay ka sa araw-araw na nagpapasalamat ka, you will attract good things, good stuff. Yan. So, pag hindi ako sumikat bilang chef, ako ay magiging life coach. So, yun. Yun yung aking mga binabantayang career. Pag hindi ako hindi, joke lang yan. Siyempre, I love my profession so much. Kung may, kung meron akong ability or skills to become a life coach, kung gusto nyong makinig sa akin at gusto nyong pakinggan ng mga pinagsasabi ko, then I can probably do that in the next, who knows, few years or maybe this year. I don't know. We never know. So, ayan. So, let's all welcome 2025 with positivity, excitement, and grateful heart. Yan. So, again, this is Cooking Ina's Kitchen, and I'm very, very happy to do this sit-down video here in Cebu. Today is January 3, 2025, and it's 12:30 real time. I-upload ko to sa YouTube ko. Bye, guys!